the rules are.
Okay.
You can take pictures and step in the mud in your shoes, but there's one thing you can't do.
What?
You can't go back and forth.
Okay. Now will you show me how to play with this table?
Now first, we have put all the balls, the little balls. And now we hit them back and when watch it.
Good. Very good. Wow. Yeah, you did it.
Now.